Hello, Bearbull Traders. Welcome, and my name is Paris Jandwani. I'm a moderator and a partner with Bearbull Traders and Trading Terminal. Since, as you all know, Andrew is climbing Mount Everest, and I'm here to do my recap for today. And it was a very good day, especially on GM. But I'm gonna showcase on what all trades I took, and even a lot of people on the chat room took very similar trades. So I traded Microsoft at the open. It was at the open, it was kind of a rising devil trade, which Brian talks about. It pops, it sells off and pulls back at the moving averages and the VWAP. This is a great area to short. And I shorted, cover, added more, and then I got stopped out at just above the stop out area. And then I tried for the second time and I got stopped out as well. So this was, I think this was a break-even trade, did not make much money, and this was a losing trade in this area. The third time I tried, I did not like the price action and I got stopped out in a small, cut my size immediately. So that was Microsoft, did not make much money on this ticker. Tesla was also another one of the stocks which did not give that continuation, but this is where the momentum comes in, looking for the break of high of the day, where the stock pops up, sells off on the bottom side. When it comes back above the VWAP, that's a great area for long, and the price, the momentum is there on the long side, and it pops up. It literally moved $1 and then was a huge sell-off, and I stopped out. I tried for the another time where it came back above the VWAP, pulled back, went long, and stopped out again. But the third time it did, as soon as it sold off and came back up, I sold, added more, and then cut my size and stopped out finally. So not the major continuation side, but a lot of people on Tesla traded this specific move in the chart room, where it pulled back to 160, 161 area at this support area, and this was a really nice move on the upside. Now it's actually consolidating between 162 and 163.3. The best trade of the day was in GM, and I'm still in it. Is GM was in the news due to a catalyst, which they reported earnings yesterday, I think this morning, and it sold off. And when it sold off, there are 3 trades in here, and let me go over one by one. In the first one, I'm looking for the break of low of the day. At this one, I took a short right here, look for a break of low of the day, covered majority of my position here, and then again stopped out break even. The second trade, I shorted again looking for the break of low of the day, and then came back down, covered some, added more, and this was a fourth add and stopped out at break even. But over the period, it was like you were continuously taking profits, and that's basically the way you can recycle your shares and continuously make money, even though you had stopped out at break even at the last point. And the third and the final trade that worked out really nice for me, and I'm still in that trade, is where as soon as the stock came back below the VWAP, pulled back, that's where I added my initial position, and it sold off really nice, broke the low of the day, and when it pulled back, this is where I added 3 times, and this is what I call a load the boat, where you load. Here I was very confident on the trade to be working out, and I loaded maximum size that I could to short on that area. And as you can see, it worked out really nice. I added even more. Here I loaded the boat at these areas, cover, and then when it was consolidating at close to the low of the day, I added heavy here at the bottom for riding on the downside. And as you can see, it literally sold off really nice, and now I'm waiting for my final exit. My exit strategy has not been hit yet, so I haven't covered my final position, but if the moving averages and the trend starts changing, I would take my final exit. So that was a really profitable trading for the day, and yeah, hope you have a great rest of your day, and keep it green, guys. Take care.